Hi, this is Arun Gupta from Oma Electronics Enterprises, Jaipur, India. This video will demonstrate you how to test electrical machines like transformer, motor with 3-phase power analyzer. Oma Make DPAT 3D is designed and developed to make the testing simpler, faster, accurate and reliable. The accuracy of this instrument is class 0.2. Its input voltage range is 600 volt AC and input current range is 80 ampere AC. That means it can test up to 80 HP motor. Its input current range can be further extended with the help of external CT. It has SD memory card facility to save the data which can later be retrieved using computer. The file organizer software generates PDF report from this data stored in SD card. Additionally, it can be connected to computer and enable the user to save the reading with date and time, serial number and operator's name and generate the PDF report. Now come to the front panel of this instrument. This instrument right now is connected to the 3-phase motor. Now I am switching it on the 3-phase supply. Now motor has started. So now right now it is indicating the average voltage, the power factor, system power factor, the watt, the VA, the frequency and the current. This is system page. Now come to the VI page. This is showing the voltage in each phase, VR, VY, VB and the average volt. This is showing the current in each phase and the average current. This is the watt and PF page. It is indicating the watt in each phase and the total watt. Here it is indicating the power factor in each phase and the system power factor. There is a 7-segment display to display the main, the total and average parameters. This is the SD memory card slot. You can save the reading by pressing the write to SD card button here. Now reading has been saved. This is the USB port. You can connect the computer to this port here. This is the hold button facility. You can hold the reading. H will be written there. Now you can note down the reading. This is the mode button for selecting the current range. Mode 1 is for 20 ampere range and this mode 2 for 80 ampere range. This is the tachometer. It is used for calculating the RPM of the motor. Data is going to our 3-phase power analyzer and our analyzer will also display the RPM. The user can set the number of poles and by knowing the number of poles it gets the synchronous speed. By knowing the RPM and the synchronous speed, it will calculate the slip of the motor. Now come to the back panel of this instrument. This instrument has the voltage terminal R, Y, B and the neutral. It has 3 input terminals in red and 3 output terminals in black. This is the power cord receptacle, this is fuse and this is for connecting the tachometer. Thanks for watching our demonstration. For more information, please visit our website www.omaelectronics.com. Please call us or contact us for more information. Thank you.